Hello, it's Darren from Investor Income. Welcome back to the channel. So I haven't done any videos in a while. It has been manic busy. I've been doing a lot of developmental work in the background, and I'm coming up with some exciting stuff later in the summer. So we're talking today about the importance of trading with a plan in whatever you do. Doesn't matter what strategy you're going to be trading. It is just so important you stick to your trading plan and what you do. And by a trading plan, it's got to be your method of trading. Whatever style you're going to use for trading, you just have to be super consistent with it and have faith in your system. If you don't have faith in the way you trade, you're going to struggle. It's as simple as that, because if you don't know what you're doing in any situation, you are going to make bad decisions. So whatever your trading plan is, you stick to it. And that is as simple as it gets. Now, with things like Nadex, you've got a limited time frame, it's even more important to be disciplined. I take re-entries, always have taken re-entries. I don't profess to be able to pick the absolute top of the market. What I do is put the odds heavily in my favour when the market is overbought or oversold. And we do actually trade with the trend as well on some pullbacks for a little bit of scalping as well. So here you can see the entries I've taken. This is NZDJPY. These are the entries I took today. This was a poor entry, really. The indicators at the bottom, I've just been testing out these things. We've got our standard indicators in, just a couple of extra lines to make it more graphically relevant. But this was really a bit of a poor entry for me. It was too early in the move. It wasn't the price action I was hoping would happen, but I got a bit overconfident with this entry, but that's fine. I made a mistake. But in any case, we're buying at extreme, so it is overbought. Entered again, came back to this first entry. That was my take profit point. So as soon as this came to break even, these two were nice profits. Lovely, I got that trade. Now I'm going to show you where things didn't work out. So this has been the Aussie dollar today, and we have seen some crazy price action in this. We are extremely overbought already, and it's just continued to be even further overbought. So moves can extend well beyond, and you can see our moving average here we've got, which is our baseline, and it hasn't actually touched in a long while. This is a heavily overbought market, so we could likely see some consolidation over time, but this is extremely unnatural price movement in the Forex market. If you're a trend trader and you trade channels, you would love this. You're going to have a great day, unlike most days you would have had, but you'd enjoy this day. This for us is a problem because it has left us, even with good entries, I'm now in a position where I'm late in the evening. I don't like holding trades overnight into the Asian session, so I have come out of this trade here. Now that means I'm out for basically break even. Okay, that's fine. I accept that. That's just the way it goes. But I did not like, the reason I closed this trade is I never like seeing that. I don't know what, that is not your normal average daily price action. This is manipulated extremes. If they're doing this to the market, they could do anything. I've got my wisdom from the crisis with the Swiss franc. And this is why you've got to be disciplined when the Swiss franc come pegged from the euro. You couldn't actually close any positions. So I don't ever like seeing highly manipulated markets. And the same has happened on a lot of pairs. We've had some real strong moves without pullbacks. So a bit more in the CAD here. You can see my entries here. In the CAD, I had a cluster of entries down the bottom here for obvious reasons on the oscillators, and I've come out of those positions as well, all for profit, which was all very nice down there. And it's turned what could have been quite a painful day into a very good day. So you've got to stick to your plan, stick to what you know works, and have faith in your system. You can see the moves I've done here. I haven't actually taken any trades here, but there's actually a trade on here if I wanted to take it, but it's not the time of day that I trade, so I won't be doing that. There's possible entry there as well. So it is super important to stick by what you know. Now, once you do the training with us, if you want to join the group or anything, you'll understand the importance of this. and you'll understand that once you take your positions, you may need to re-enter positions, because we're not absolute marksmen. It's a very accurate system, but you can't always pick the absolute top. You just got to put the odds in your favor when you trade. So that's what we do. And I just want to say pound Japanese yen as well. This is extremely difficult trading session as well. So these ones took late in the evening just for scalps yesterday. First one was break even, the second one was take profit. And then this one again today was a very nice move, and I actually came out down here and I got some lovely profit on pound yen today as well. So I trade numerous currency pairs during the same day. Spread your risk. You don't want to be all in US dollar. You don't want to be in any one pair individually. That means when you do get a manipulated move like the Aussie dollar, you're in far better position, because I already know what I'm going to be doing with that trade. I know there has to be some kind of consolidation, but I also know that I'm going to be closing that position out if nothing happens with it at the end of the day. In any case, I'd already bagged a lot of profit today with lots of different trades and different types of moves. It was kind of a crazy day, but that is all good. We know what we're doing. That is so important. You've got to know when to press the button and when to cut a trade. That this is, this kind of here is screaming a reversal. But with the manipulation that's gone on in it, they could be doing anything. So I'm not interested. I lose interest in that because it's not behaving the way it should do. So why would I want to stay in it? Well, just taking, it's a no loss trade, happy days, and move on. That's, this is just re-entering at a better position. Well, I should have entered up here, and there would have been a bit of profit in that. But at that stage, I'd taken 3 entries. I was happy with those positions. They should have worked out, and I came out with break even. All the rest of the trades have ended up in profit today. So, happy days, but I know what I'm doing when that situation arises. This is unpleasant. Most people get capitulation here. It's complete capitulation. They're wiping out everyone's stops. Everyone's getting cleaned out. Getting people jumping on the trend, hoping it's going to go to the moon. And now they don't know what the hell to do with themselves. And you're probably going to see this have some volatility. But I'd expect to see price come down back to the baseline in any case. I hope you got something out of the video. Please do stick to your trading plan, whatever it may be. It's so super important to know what to do come anything like this, because this things can happen in any markets, and you just got to be aware of when they do happen like this. You've got to have a plan to get out of those positions. And I've already taken enough risk in these positions, and they're quite large positions, so I'm not looking to hold things when I'm around to have a look at it. So take care of yourselves. Hope you got something out of it. If you're interested in joining the group or getting a trading strategy, just email me investourincome@gmail.com. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe and all that good stuff, and I'll talk to you soon.